Hey everybody, it's Sarah with A Thrifty Mom. I'm super excited. I just got a package from Lange, stocked up on a couple of my favorites, which is the Trio Chic hairspray. I have to say this lasts a long time. I also love that it has the options to be able to do 3 different sprays in there, and then my favorite root booster, which helps me get volume. But in here is the new Le Cinq set. These were out of stock for like 2 months, and they're now back in stock. So I ordered one, got it within about a week and a half. Super excited. So first off, Lange packaging is amazing. If you want to give this as a gift to somebody, it's just a really nice gift. It comes like this, has the tissue paper. This box is nice enough. It's got the magnetic clasp, but it's honestly really nice to store stuff in your bathroom. Just an awesome box. Okay, and then it comes in this awesome little carrying case. And this little carrying case, if you like easy storage solutions or you don't want your bathroom messed up really all the time, this has 5 in 1. It's going to come with your gloves so you don't burn yourself. It's going to come with a really long, I think 9-foot cord with a swivel. And then inside of each of these is a different titanium wand. Now a titanium wand is holds the heat the best, and it's just overall top of the line. Normally to purchase just one wand at normal price is like $150+ and you're going to be getting 5 titanium wands for $150 with the current sale right now. I'll leave the link here in just a second, but this is the tapered wand. This one leaves uniform curls all the way top to bottom. So if you want a lot of volume at your roots, this is the one to use for that. This is the 19mm. This seems a little crazy when you first use it because it gives you these tight ringlety curls. But if you want your curls to last for several days, hey Devon, hey Brianna, hey Kathy, hey Julie, then this is the wand to use even if you have really long hair, because the gravity and just weight of your hair is going to pull those curls out. The big 32mm is best for big beachy waves, but a lot of times these curls won't last from day to day just because they're so big. All right, and then we have the attachment. So this is the base. It has auto shut off. It does have temperature control. So how this works is you're just going to line up these holes. You're going to put those in there. Clearly I didn't line it up quite right. Nothing like failing on live video. Oh, good grief. Oh, okay. The reason is you have to put it to unlock. All right, so once you put it to unlock, then you put it to lock, twist it in, and it's locked, and then you can turn it on. And then you can unlock, and if you need to change it out, use the glove, because you don't want to burn yourself, okay? It does have the cool touch tip, and then we still have 2 more. This is the 25mm. This is my go-to kind of almost every day. And last but not least, this seems to be everybody's favorite. This is the bubbled wand. These two, so the tapered wand and the bubble wand and the 19mm only come in the Le Cinq set, which is awesome. Hey Pamela, hey Kristen. On my wish list, I know. It's amazing. Okay, and so this one's going to give you really like inconsistent curls, which kind of give you like that naturally curly look. Just really awesome, flowy, really pretty. And all right, so there we go. I just want to let you guys know that's back in stock and let you guys see how awesome it is. And it comes in this awesome little kit, which is awesome for travel and easy storage solutions. Okay, grab one while you can. Talk to you later.